Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new airdrop called Hamster Kombat. It has just been launched and has been live for 6 months. We hope that in a very short time, it will provide great value. Now, you can start earning free money with this coin mining. 31 million followers on Telegram. Hamster Kombat announcement. Wow! Amazingly, we've reached such a massive milestone. We're shooting for the stars. A huge thank you to everyone in our incredible community for helping us break world records with your participation and activity. Hamsters, all for one, and one for all. Together, we are power. If you don't have Telegram, you can find the Telegram link in the description box below. I'm showing you this for your benefits. Hamster Kombat gives you too much opportunities. You need per hour profit and a great activity in Hamster Kombat. Join my Telegram because I will advise you daily combo and other noticed. This is all part of a new project. But now it's old. You can also invite your friends to get more points. Subscribe to the channel to receive more updates on airdrops, new coins, trading information, crypto news, and free signals. I will show you everything without saying much. If you don't understand something, you can join my Telegram channel. I will discuss it with you in detail. After that, if you need more details, then you can tell me in the comment box and I will tell you through the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and happy earning with Wave Wallet. Subscribe to my channel for more updates like how to exchange your coins, how to connect your wallet to airdrops, coin mining, etc.